Hi everyone, I'm Upendo from Make a Difference Students. Today I will show you how to make spicy rice, or in Swahili we call it Pilau. Let me show you the ingredients which I'm going to use today. We have Pilau spices, and also we have garlic and ginger. The vegetables which I'll be using in Pilau making, we have green peas, these ones, and also we have chubby carrots, tomatoes, and also onions. Today I'm going to use beef to put in my pilau, these ones. So the other ingredients needed to make pilau are, we have rice, and the rice which you use is white rice. And also we have cooking oil. Let us start to prepare our pilau. In a cooking pot, you have to add a cup of cooking oil. I'm adding onion in cooking pot, and also I'll be adding mashed garlic here. Now we are adding this. Then followed we are adding pilau spices. Now I'll be adding 1.5 cup of hot water. Now I'll be adding 1.5 cup of white rice. And also my vegetables, and also I'll be adding them. After adding them, I'll be waiting until the water evaporates. The water in pilau has already evaporated, and the food, as you can see, it is almost ready to be eaten. By purchasing this mad cookbook, you learn more about local dishes and also helping us in education. Thank you. Bye.